is metabolic cooking? Metabolic cooking is a method by which you will eat delicious food in order to achieve your own fat loss. This food literally helps you burn fat by eating. Bear in mind that this is not a diet. Metabolic cooking is a plan that uses natural, delicious foods you get at your neighborhood grocery store to make great tasting meals. You literally buy foods and prepare them in such a way that burns up the fat from your body. Metabolic cooking is formatted like recipe cards, the kind your grandma or mom kept in a box on the fridge. The steps to each recipe are few and far between. You also find lots of fish, veggies, chicken, and lean meats in these recipes. Therefore, you will never get bored of what you're eating. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. What will you learn from metabolic cooking? Perhaps the most important thing that you learn from metabolic cooking is the 3 big problems that come with most healthy eating cookbooks. They are filled with recipes that don't even help you lose fat. Most of the ingredients in these books are wrong. Anybody who knows about healthy eating can tell you that these books are heavy on the use of grains and flour. This means too many simple carbs. You will learn about uncomplicated and lovely recipes, and lots of them. Your system will be in a constant state of burn as it processes all these good foods. By feeding your body the food it needs, you can burn it all up and get slimmer. Click the link below for visit official site. Metabolic cooking pros and cons. Now we will talk about the pros and cons of this program, so that you can make an informed decision about when to buy. Like everything, you have to look at the good and the bad. Pros. Ingredients are easy to find in local shops and markets. No need to order fancy foods from far away. Instructions are easy to follow. All nutrition information is readily available. Upon going to the website, I learned that the price is only $10. What a small price to pay for health and wellness in cooking. Plenty of great success stories to inspire you. Cons. It seems to lack exercise help, despite Dave, the co-author, being a fitness expert. There could be more tips in here about working out and exercising. There is no real clear explanation about how these books burn fat and boost metabolism. We believe it, but there is just no information in the book about it. Ebooks can be a little hard on the eyes. Does metabolic cooking work? This program absolutely will work for you. The first evidence that we have of this is the testimonials that are found upon the main website. Secondly, the program is based upon science from 2 people who really know what they are talking about. You learn about what is safe to eat at certain points during the day, as some foods are fat-burning friendly. It is so easy to choose the foods from the list of approved ingredients and immediately double your efforts with the unique and tasty food combinations. For more information, click the link below.